beautiful people. My name is Paul Kohler with LPT Realty, and today we are in the neighborhood of Caldera in Spring Hill, Florida. And I'm bringing to you a 2,500 plus square foot home that's 5 bedroom, 3 bath. It has 2 distinct, separate, nice living areas for the family to be separate. And also have their nice space, a large fenced in backyard. And then the neighborhood itself has resort style amenities like a pool, gym, game room, a nice pickleball and playground for the kids, dog park, walking paths. There's so much here, really low HOAs. Such a nice, beautiful community. This house was built in 2025. It's brand new. It's painted, so you can come in. You don't have all of the extra work that comes with a brand new build. And this is ready for quick move-in for you. I mean, if you came in and put an offer, we could get everything done in the next 30 days. And we would love it if you would check this out with us. Without further ado, let's take a look. Okay, starting from the outside and working our way in, we're at 4242 Goldfoil. Again, this is 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom. It does have a 2-car garage, and as you can see with this large F-150 in the driveway, there is plenty of room for 2 cars in the driveway comfortably. As we approach the front, you can see that it's got really nice curb appeal, good landscaping. You got a nice big tree that's going to be gorgeous in just a couple of years. They put a bird feeder or a bird bath out. This is a really cute couple. I love the owners. They're super sweet. You've got a ring style doorbell and a nice welcoming entrance. Nice blue door. Good sized foyer with windows. And then you've got the storage coat closet right there in the front. Nice staging area. And then also, before we go further in, storage in Florida is tight, but there is nice extra storage right under the stairs. And they are taking good advantage of it. And there is a light in there. Before we go to the rest of the house, I'm just going to do it in order here. We've got the garage to the right. They've got extra safety things on the doors, so it's a super secure home. Nice large 2-car garage. It's got the hangers for the tools and everything. First bedroom, downstairs, nice sized closet. It's a good sized bedroom. Very spacious. And then a full bath. Let's see. Nice light fixtures. Tiled in tub. Quartz countertops, nice cabinets. We'll just take a look here. Yeah, that's a nice tub. That's not just a fiberglass insert tub. It's a fully tiled tub. Beautiful. And then they've got the nice large tile floors throughout the downstairs. And then when we come in, we got a nice big living room. Huge ceiling fan, it really moves some air. It's nice. And then we have an open floor plan here. I'll get into the kitchen in just a second. But you can see they've got a huge sofa, so plenty of room for everybody there. And then they've got the floor outlet as well in the back. So if you had, end tables or things like that, and you had lamps and stuff, a little bit different design. And on Zillow, I have it all set up because it's a Zillow showcase. You can set up and try it with your own furniture, different furniture styles than what they have. It'll empty it and add it. But you've got a nice stainless steel appliances, large range microwave, nice backsplash. Everything is ready for you to go. Tons of countertop space. They've got the bronze or brass. I think I'll go with bronze. Water fixture there. Really nice. And then you've got a good size island here. Looking out and keeping everybody together. And if you didn't see, it's got, you know, the bar style right on the island, which is super. So nice size dining area, seats 6 comfortably. And then they've got the pantry on the other side. It's a nice big pantry too. So you have a really nice kitchen and family space here. So nice size pantry. The chandelier is not included. The chandelier they are taking with them. Otherwise, all the appliances stay. Coming into the backyard, they've got another nice large ceiling fan already covered lanai. Nice big area. That was an ad from the builder. The covered lanai with the patio there. Really great. And then a fenced in backyard. Plenty of room. We've got that living room again. Just a big, they did such a nice job. When you do come and visit this house eventually, you'll notice that there's a lot of love in this house. It's a really sweet family. And then you've got the second living space upstairs here. 3 big windows, plenty of room. So if you want a place for the kids to play or watch their stuff or play video games, not necessarily while you're cooking, this is a great place to do it. You got the laundry room, another bedroom, and another bedroom with a really nice ceiling fan. And then you got the last bedroom upstairs. This bedroom has a very large closet. Another nice tile bath and shower combo. And this is a big space. Air handler. And coming into the master, another nice large ceiling fan. You don't have to worry about installing in this new neighborhood. And then you've got the television up there. So you're already we're going to have, the TV isn't included, but you'll already have the mounts set to go. Beautiful, beautiful master. 2 big windows in the corner there. Plenty of room for the extra chair. And then you've got the master bath, also dual vanity, quartz countertops, nice cabinets, great light fixtures, tall stand-up shower with the seamless glass, a nice tile. It's perfect. The window bringing in lots of natural light. And then you have the water closet to the right and a nice big primary closet. Goes all the way back. Plenty of room for all the stuff. And again, my name is Paul Kohler with LPT Realty. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, reach me through the information below, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.